Okay guys, here is my 1974 Yamaha MX100. That's for sale right now. It's for sale, and it's a pretty nice bike. It's pretty good for being almost 50 years old. It's 48 years old, and so it has a new top end on it. We put a new Wiseco piston. We bored out the cylinder, and we did that last winter. So it has a new top end on it, bored out the cylinder. That's all good. Has good compression. Has 145 psi. Has a carb kit in it, like a new needle and seat and stuff like that. It has a new uni air filter. Well, newer uni air filter in it. And I got these foot pegs. It has new foot pegs on it. They're oversized foot pegs. And these are Yamaha DT 175, I think, brackets. And so your foot actually stays on the foot pegs now. And let's see, I got sticker stuff. The seat cover is, I ordered the wrong seat cover. I ordered the wrong year, like for like a later MX100, and it didn't fit right up here, so I put this on there. So it's kind of screwed up, but you can order a new seat cover for like 40 bucks on eBay. I just totally ordered the wrong one. I don't know why, but so that would be a pretty easy fix. Then I got a new gas tank line vent thing, and then I have breakaway levers. They work pretty good on both sides. I got breakaway levers, so they're pretty nice. I got a new number plate up front here. All new number plate. It's really nice. The tires are really good shape. They have lots of tread left on them. The rims are really good. It's not bent. None of the spokes are loose at all. None of the spokes are loose. So that's good. Also got new fork oil in it. I did that a couple months ago, like 2 months ago. I put new fork oil in it, and then made sure everything's working right in there. Changed the oil not too long ago in it too. It has a brand new rear tube on the back. So, and the tire is really nice too. As you guys can tell, it has lots of traction. You can roost anybody with this bike. Has quite a bit of power. And then the only problem with this bike right now is this rear shock is leaking. So it blew out or something, and it's leaking. You can buy new shocks or work shocks, or it's pretty easy to find shocks for these things. You can find shocks on eBay, or you can buy aftermarket ones, like performance ones that are better. And yeah. And then let's see, what else do I have on it? See, I got new pegs down here. Gas tank is really good shape. Cleaned that out. It's all good, ready to go. It's really clean in there. There's a little bit of gas in there, but it's not rusty or anything. It doesn't leak. There's a little bit of surface rust on there, but nothing that clogs up the fuel filter or anything, or the pitcock. That's good. It looks like all the numbers match on this thing too. It has the 427, so it is a legit 1974. It has it on the cylinder head too, 427, and on the cases. So it is a legit 1974. Some people swap around the engines on these. So, and the handlebars, I'm pretty sure they're original and they're pretty straight. They're not bent or anything, so they're really good. Oh, and it also has a new kill switch on it. Has a new kill switch. And so yeah, that's about it. Doesn't really have anything else. Nothing really. Also, oh, I put a new spark plug on it too. So yeah, it really has a good power. It'll do a wheelie in first and second gear, sometimes third. It depends on how you shift. It'll do probably, I'm guessing, 60 mile an hour. I mean, it's a fast bike. It's just, I was riding around earlier today, and it just zooms. It really goes. Oh yeah, and then also the sprockets. I didn't change anything with the sprockets, but the front sprocket is like 11 tooth, so that's why it has really good acceleration. And I think the rear sprocket is stock, but so yeah, so that's really good. And then I also have new rubber dampers in here, so I put new rubber dampers in there. And I think that's about all I did to it. I did quite a bit to this thing. got it all ready to go. And yeah, so I don't know, it starts right up. To start it up, usually from a cold start, you want to turn choke on, no gas, and it'll start right up. I guess I'll try to start up for you guys right now. See if it starts. It should. The GoPro back here. It should start hot. Starts up pretty good. As you noticed, when it kind of bogged there a little bit when you started up, you just have to give it some gas. It'll keep on running just fine. So yeah, so it's pretty loud. It sounds pretty good at full throttle. It really isn't that loud though compared to modern bikes. Like some with the FMF pipes, it's really not that loud. So yeah, so it's a good old bike. Oh, and I also have some new gaskets for the top end. Has a new head gasket. I don't know what other gaskets it is. I did a whole bunch of different gaskets to it. And so yeah, so it'll be up for sale. I'm gonna turn my gas off. It'll be up for sale soon here on Marketplace. And let me know if you're interested in it. And yeah, it's a great vintage bike. It's really fun. And so yeah, so I guess let me know, and see you guys next time.